Yo, a J Kaz again. For the girl them. Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. Yeah. So for me see you not the
Hey guys, it's your girl Katia here, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I did this look without recording, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it. The reason why I didn't record it was because I'm still learning how to do eyeshadow, and I tried something new. I tried doing eyeliner for the first time, so it was taking me some time. Plus I was watching a movie, so I didn't record it, but for it to look you know what I'm saying, give me face, you get what I'm saying. It came out great. So, and I did use the Moroccan Spice palette, and I thought it wasn't gonna look right, but it came out perfect. So stay tuned and you're gonna see how I recreated this look. Bye. Oh, and hold on, this look was actually inspired by this person. I don't know her name, but I was looking up like how to do eyeshadow with this specific palette, and her picture came up and I followed exactly what she did. I'm gonna pull it up, it's gonna be up in a minute, and it came out bomb. So stay tuned and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, so one eye is already done. I'm going to redo this eye. I had to take my eyelashes off because it was coming off anyway. Instead of doing both eyes, I was just going to redo one. So but I will do another video where I'm doing like maybe 5 different looks with the palette, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, so first we're gonna take Come and Get It. Okay, so this is Come and Get It, so that's what we're gonna do first.
Me have the Marie and the Maggie and fried. And now she tell me say she want fi back it on pipe. Yeah, she have me senseless in the red dress. When she bend, yes, make me upset. Call your best.
I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? Oops, so.
So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah, she a feeling some. Mommy know you have a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one.
Mind you, I have to put a lot just because, like I said, these colors is more for like lighter skin tones. So me being dark, I have to put like a lot. Like I have to apply a lot of you know, eyeshadow to it. Alrighty. Next, instead of doing what's this? Spice Strip. So this is Spice Strip. So instead of doing Spice Strip, I'm going to do Saffron because Spice Strip is such a light color that it's not gonna show up on my skin tone. So I'm gonna be using Saffron, this red one right here. Trust me, if you my skin tone, this color is gonna pop. Like, okay, it's gonna pop. So alright, we're gonna do the same thing. I don't know if I'm the only one where I have to have my mouth open when I when I try to put eyeshadow on. And I'd be like, cause I can't close my eyes, like I can't do it. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
So me make the girl bend up. Style where you have 10 out of 10 up. Oh, the blood clot, them a friend up. Police on me yard about get up. That a set up. Me say bend up. Me call
Alright.
step up. Under me
Look. And okay. Alright. Then I'm going to take my concealer. This is LA Girl, you know, regular stuff. I'm taking my concealer. And I'm going to just that's a lot. And I'm gonna blend out the concealer. Marijuana, me crushing on me palm. I that a go on pon what a go on. So from me get you not to nobody else. Me have to keep that nice sexy body for myself. Can't believe your man put you on the shelf. But J Kaz I gonna make you feel well. Me make you feel well, make you feel nice. They carry feelings away them feel like. I want to be used, you want to you gotta make sure it's fully blend. Alright. Then we're gonna take Casablanca. Where's Casablanca? Casablanca is, hold on. Yeah, okay. Casablanca is this one, right? Yeah, it's this one right here. That's Casablanca. And you're going to fill up what we concealed, and you're gonna put Casablanca on there. So
for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah, she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. So me make the girl bend up. Style where you have 10 out of 10 up. Oh, the blood clot, them a friend up. Police on me yard about.
alright. So now I'm gonna take Saffron again, the red one. Ooh.
Me bust a style in a me jacket and tie. Me dog in a the ends one fi clap it and drive. Me have the Marie and the Maggie I'm fried. And now she tell me say she want fi back it and pipe. Yeah, she have me senseless in the red dress. When she bend yes, make me take set. Call your best friend for my best friend. Then we link up. Yeah, it makes sense. Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine there you bust it like a gun. So for me see you know the place one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah, she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to.
You wanna make sure that,
she said she never get a lover like this.
you know, all of the, it's completely red. It's okay if it's not completely red, but you know, you just wanna make sure that it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get this one spot. Alright. Mirage. This one. And you're basically going to put it over this side. Not where the red is, but where this side is. So that's what you're going to do. So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah, she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. Alright, I don't remember the name for the blue one, but we're just gonna call it blue. So you're gonna take the blue one and you're going to put it just like how you're doing eyeliner, but you put it like inside your eye. You're basically doing that with eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just...
So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. So me make the girl bend up, style where you have 10 out of 10 up, 10 up. Oh the blood clot, them a friend up.
You know, you're gonna add a lot because the blue is kind of...
Make all Jacqueline and I step up. Under me lemon here, then I'm a reto. The girl want to wine go down, that's so. Me nah let go. Eh, me boss a style in a me jacket and tie. Me dog in at the ends, want to clap it and drive. Me have the Marie and the Maggie I'm fried. And now she tell me say she want to back it and pipe. Yeah, she have me senseless in the red dress. When she bend, yes, make me take set. Call your best friend, for my best friend. Then we link up, yeah, it makes sense.
Okay.
So for me see another place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. Yeah. She said she never get a lover like this. At least a lover's rock and a bubble like this. Your last man give you trouble like this. Make we hold a sweet one and then we cuddle like this. Winter time need a man to keep you warm. Hold one Guinness and then you come in on me arm. Marijuana me cushion on me palm. My daughter go on pon what I go on. So from me get you not nobody else. May you have to keep that nice.
I'm gonna put some glue on our eyelash. I use strip lash adhesive, the black one. This is the best glue. I don't know why people be using clear glue or hair glue. Who uses hair glue? But you know, some people say that the hair glue works on the stick. So while we're waiting for the lash to dry, I'm gonna set it down and I'm gonna do my lips.
Follow back on none. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. So for me see another place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't step in a jacket and dress, can't lie, yeah she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. So me make the girl bend up. Style where you have 10 out of 10 up. Oh the blood clot, them a friend up. Police on me yard about get up. That a set up. Me say bend up. Make all Jacqueline and I step up. Under me lemon here, then I'm a reto.
I'm gonna take my milk lipstick that I got as a free gift on my birthday. And I like the color, it's very nice. It's a nice color. I'm just gonna...
She have me senseless in the red dress. When she bend, yes, make me take set. Call your best friend, for my best friend. Then we link up, yeah, it makes sense. Girl, you know if you do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. So for me see another place, one in a million.
So you see how full my lips look? A little full because I outlined it on the outside of my lip. Dope, right? Anyway. I don't know if I'm the only one that just keeps going over my section of the lips. I don't know. Just gotta make sure it looks good. Alrighty.
Can't believe your man put you on the shelf. But J Kaz, I gonna make you feel well, yeah. Me make you feel well, make you feel nice. They carry feelings the way them feel like. I want to be yours, you want to be mine. You know where you are, do you make me feel right? Girl, you know if you do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine that you bust it like a gun. So for me see another place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million.
You know how they do one lash doesn't want to stick in the corner? That's pretty much what my eyelash was doing. It just didn't want to stick in the corner. Alright, now, hold on, it look a little crazy. Do the back test. Okay. Alright, now, this is my eyeliner pattern. Okay, yeah. Period. The last one, period. Alright, so
Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. So me make the girl bend up. Style where you have 10 out of 10 up. Oh, the blood clot, them a friend up. Police and
perfect.
get up, like a set up. Me say bend up.
New eyeliner.
The girl want fi wine go down, that's so me nah let go. Me bust a style in me jacket and tie. Me dog inna the ends want fi clap it and drive. Me have the Marie and the Maggie I'm fried. And now she tell me say she want fi back it and pipe. Yeah, she have me senseless in the red dress. When she bend, yes, make me take set. Call your best friend, for my best friend. Then we link up, yeah, it makes sense. Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine there, you bust it like a gun. So for me see you the place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't stand in a jacket and dress. Can't lie, yeah, she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. Yeah. She said she never get a lover like this. At least a lover's rock and a bubble like.
That's why it's better to put your lashes on, then do your eyeliner. That was thirsty.
Marijuana, me crushing on me palm. That a go on pon what a go on. So from me get you not nobody else. Me have to keep that nice sexy body for myself.
Alright.
Put you on the shelf. But J Kaz,
And that's on what? Period. Alright, I'm just gonna take clear lip gloss.
you know where you are, do you make me feel right? Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back on none. Have the wine there, you bust it like a gun. So for me see you the place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't stand in a jacket and dress. Can't lie, yeah, she have
I don't want to put too much because it's like dripping.
a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. Yo, a J Kaz again. For all the girl them. Girl, you know fi do your thing, you know follow back.
Alright.
Wine there, you bust it like a gun. So for me see you the place, one in a million. Like the girl when you Christina million. So for me see they can't stand in a jacket and dress. Can't lie, yeah, she have to give me some. Mommy know you want a man, it's not a part of the plan, but now she have to come and give me one. So me make the girl bend up.
My fault. Alright. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I'm still gonna keep practicing how to do eyeshadow. I'm still gonna practice how to do eyeliner. I could probably get it done in like maybe 7 minutes if I just keep practicing. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.